Good morning, my name is Javier Kuta, and today I am going to tell you about intent that I have renewed in these last days. I am going to travel to Moniquera, a small city location in Boyacá, Colombia. I am going to be there on December the 20th with my wife, my two daughters. We are going to be in Confavoy Recreation Center. We are going to stay in this place in one of the cabins. Likewise, we will enjoy the pool, bar, games, restaurant. In general, we will turn adventures in every day that, that in this place. Moreover, we will visit the city. We will pass town streams and tourist places. And the course we will turn my photos. For this in ways than it will spend 100,000 pesos on expense include some souvenir, decoration, the house, and food for the family sandwiches in sweet, made fruit, very free.